Hi guys. So this is going to be a daily energy reading. It's going to be a very general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. It's not a science specific reading either. It's just a general reading for whoever needs to hear these messages. I'll just draw one card and then I'll draw clarifiers. It's a daily reading. It's not time specific. So if you watch it some other time, probably it may resonate even there. Okay, your cards here. It's the Chariot. Okay, it can be. It's possible that some of you are physically moving out of a city or going or traveling, or it can also mean you are moving away from a situation, or you moved away from a situation, and right now, and you're still in that energy of transit, if it makes sense. Um, it can be a Cancer human being. Is it a Cancer individual? Either you are a Cancerian or you've moved away from a Cancerian. Can be a Scorpio also and Gemini. Are you moving away from a Gemini individual? We'll just clarify it. It is quite possible that you have actually moved away. Some of you might be moving away because of work or because you've been offered a new um, job opportunity or something, and or you want to move to another country, to another city because of work, or you want to start your own venture, and for that you need to move away, or you have mentally made up your mind actually to leave a 9 to 5 and start your own venture, start your own business, or move away to a different lifestyle. And since it's a general reading, there are endless possibilities. So the Lover's card has come out. The card at the bottom is Five of Wands. Now I also feel that there was this situation around somebody, with somebody actually. Can be a lover, can be a crush, can be somebody you are romantically involved with or had feelings for. They can be married. I feel they're married or they're already committed. And because of that, there was a lot of struggle, which I see in this bottom card, and conflict of opinion, you know, where two people weren't on the same page, or they couldn't do much about this situation, and the best uh, option was to move away from it. Probably you're moving away because there was this love situation that went wrong, or um, you just wanted to be, get over this breakup, probably. But it's going to be okay. Also, it can also mean that you have moved to another place because of love. Because either you're going to be marrying that person, or you married somebody out of love, and then you had to switch cities or countries, that situation. Just draw one more card as a clarifier, and then I'll wrap this reading up with a general message. It's a culmination of something. Now, it can also mean that, yeah, probably you had this situationship happening and you needed to move away from somebody or with someone, but a lot of movement, either for a job or for love, also for pursuing your own passions, your own career, your own business. not necessarily love or marriage or job. It can also be uh, something to do with spirituality. Maybe you want to get out of the city and take some time off from some kind of toxic person, people, environment, and move away. But it's going to be good if you do that. This movement is going to be a positive one. It's going to only help you. I just draw one message to sum this up. So, guys, this is a general reading. It's a daily message, actually. Probably your movement is coming your way. Probably you're planning to move. Ask others for help. In case you are planning to move and you are lost, or you're not sure about whether to move away or not, then I think you should talk to people who are your well-wishers, family, friends, um, any kind of confidant that you have in your life. They will help you and you will get a clarity when it comes to this movement and this feeling. I think I should draw another card from the mermaids and dolphins. Oopsies. Okay. Oh, music for manifesting. Okay, wow, this is really shiny. In case you guys are planning to, manifest something and you're not being able to channelize your energies towards this, there are like too many things happening in your, too much movement in your brain, in your mind, and you're not being able to concentrate to bring in these energies together. Try listening to your favorite songs, humming your favorite songs, and pay attention to the songs that play in your mind when you wake up. They are synchronicities, they are messages that firstly they help in manifesting a manifestation, because that's when you're in your true element, you're feeling it, and when you feel it you vibrate higher. You're like a tuning fork, right? If you know what a tuning fork is, it's a metal fork which when it's struck on a surface, and if there are like bits of paper, pieces of paper in front of it or around it, it attracts that. So you are a tuning fork, and those papers or bits of papers are your wishes, the things that you want to manifest. And when you are vibrating to your highest, is when you attract your wishes to the fullest, completely. So try music, try listening to music, try singing your favorite song, chanting, humming. Chanting of mantras can also help. I don't know why I got that, but you can do that. Just saying om, or just sitting for meditation. Probably that's when you will vibrate higher, when there's no clutter in your brain. And then you'll feel much better about the situation, and you'll get your answers faster. You feel more clarity when it comes to answers, and it's all going to be very positive. So I guess, yeah, that's about it for today. And please do like, share, subscribe if you liked my reading. And also, please, please, please follow me on Instagram, Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot. It really helps and it really motivates me. So I hope these messages find you in the best of health. And I hope you guys are doing really well and you're keeping safe. And please be happy. Take care of yourselves. Thank you so much. Bye.